Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to the new module, the module 13. It is on transformations and symmetry, and we will look into the first lesson, that is reflections. This is a very short and easy lesson. Let us look into the learning objectives. It is only one learning objective, that is to use rigid motions to reflect figures on the coordinate plane and to describe the effects of reflections. We will see this in a while. Now, the keywords are reflection, quadrilateral. Reflection is something, you know what is reflection? Now, if you stand in front of a mirror, you get yourself reflected. That is reflection. Quadrilateral means a four-sided figure, like a square or a triangle. Sorry, not a triangle, sorry. Quad is four side. Rectangle is a quadrilateral or any other shape. So it can be any shape for that matter. Now let me just, this is a quadrilateral. Okay. Now about reflection. Reflection can be done in different lines, vertical line, horizontal line, and y is equal to x. Now over here, it can be any vertical line. So now this is the x-axis, y-axis. Now imagine they ask you to reflect along a vertical line, say x is equal to 2. So you need to draw a line over here. And now imagine there is a figure like this. This must be reflected over here. It will be over here, something like this. If it is y horizontal line, now imagine this one. This figure will be reflected up over here. Sorry, that's very bad. Now it'll be something like this. I hope you get it. Okay, again, it's bad, but just for your understanding's sake, I hope you understood the point. This distances will be the same. We will see a problem now, you'll understand easily. And last one over here, when it is y equals x. Now, what is x is equal to y line? Y equals x means if y is 1, x is also 1. If you have point 2, x and y will be the same points, 3, 3, 4, 4. It's always a 45-degree line or a straight line. So this is a x equals y line. Now what happens is if you have a figure like this over here, that will be reflected. Okay, I'm drawing tough figures. Okay, I'll draw an easy figure, that is a circle. So it'll be reflected over here. Okay, so that's the thing. But anyways, we will see problems and you will understand much better in the coming sections. Now here we have a problem, reflection in a horizontal or vertical line. Consider quadrilateral RSTV with the vertices at R is 2, 1, S is 2, 4, T is 5, 4, and V is 5, 3. We need to graph the image of the quadrilateral RSTV under each reflection. Determine the coordinate of the image. In the first case, they have asked to reflect it along y equals 1 minus 1. How do we do this? It is very crucial and important that you draw a figure. So now, graph the quadrilateral. Over here, how do we graph it? R, what is R? 2, 1. 2 is over here. The scale of 1 unit is 2 units over here. Scale of 1 block over here is 2 units. So 2, 1. So 1 will be over here in the middle. This is the point. S is 2, 4. This is the point. T is 5, 4. And lastly, we have 5, 3. So this is how we get it. This is 5 over here. This is the original image. Now we need to reflect this image along where y equals 1 minus 1. So draw a line at minus 1. This is minus 1. Now you must make sure whatever is this distance, this is 1, 2 units, right? To this point R, that must be drawn over here. There must be 2 units, 1 point. And how much distance is from this line to S? Not 4, and from this line, it will be 4 plus 1, 5. So it will be from here to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another point. Same way over here, you need to translate reflected reflection. So over here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere over here. And lastly over here, 1. So this will be in the middle. Okay. So that will be the reflected image, something like that. I hope it's clear. Now, whenever you've transformed something or reflected something, you will have to give the dimension. See this notations as R dash. R is reflected over here, so it's R dash. Then S dash, T dash, V dash. This is how we get it. So that is the answer. And please note the coordinates of the reflected image. R dash is 2, minus 3, 2 comma minus 3y, 2 and minus 3. S dash is 2 comma minus 6. Same with the T and V. You must see the coordinate F5 comma minus 6 and lastly 5 comma minus 5. That's the answer. Same question, same figure, but now we are reflecting it along x is equal to minus 2. I would highly recommend everyone pause the video now and solve it by yourself, and then we will do it together. Let us see this now. I hope you have paused the video and tried it by yourself. Now we need to graph this. We have done this already, graphing. Then next one, where is y minus 1? It's over here. Okay, it's x is equal to minus 2. I'm sorry, I was very sloppy in my presentation. Yeah, so x is equal to minus 2. This is the thing, this is the question. So what, this is the point. Now you need to reflect this figure back over here. So let's see how much is the distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 centimeter over here in this graph, one block is 2 units. So 2, 4. Same thing, 2, 4. This is 1 point. Next one, 1, 2, 3 from here, right? So I'll just draw from here. However, whichever you're convenient with. Same line, crucial. Down here, it's 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And lastly, we have over here, it'll be somewhere. So those are the points of the reflected image. Now you can see the reflected images are S dash, T dash, V dash, R dash. You need to write the coordinates. Please make sure. See, you can compare this for the reflection along line X. Sorry, this is X over here. X is equal to minus 2 over here. For X is equal to minus 2, remember here the Y values don't change. What is the Y value in this coordinate? Let's say R. X is 2, Y is 1. See, it'll be the same. X is different, but Y will be the same. Same thing over here. All the Y values. Even in the previous case, if you see, let's just quickly go over here. What happened? X values were the same, only the Y value changed. Okay, why? Because you're reflecting along the x-axis, but Y is equal to minus 1. So this is how we solve it. I hope this is clear. In the next section, we will see reflection along XY line.